we briefly review the equals method in Java, how to code the equals method. Suppose we have a book, new book, title 1, author 1, ID. ID is a string. And we try to check whether a book is equal to another book by comparing the book object against the ID that we have in mind. That is, the equals method takes in a string object. Then the string object should be able to take a book object and process it in an equivalent manner. If book 1 dot equals ID returns true, ID dot book equals book 1 also should return true. If book 1 dot equals ID returns false, ID dot equals book 1 should also return false. But that is not going to happen because here ID is a string and the equals method of string does not take a book object and say that it is equal to this string. That is not how it is coded. In fact, the equals method is an equivalence relation. It is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Any object should be equal to itself. If an object X is equal to Y, then Y should also be equal to X. And if X is equal to Y and Y is equal to Z, then X should be equal to Z. And there are more requirements. That is, X dot equals null should be false. If you have X and Y, they should be consistently returning true or false. And if X equals Y, they should both be returning the same value for hash code.